In this video, we compare HS700E Drone with certification and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E Drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, Custom Flight Path, and Smart Return to Home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holy Stone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K are both excellent pieces of technology that offer unique features. The HS700E, with its 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera, provides stable video transmission and a wide field of vision, while the HS720's 4K UHD camera with image stabilization ensures crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. The HS700E's GPS and GLONASS navigation systems offer stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function, which is also seen in the HS720's GPS-assisted intelligent flight feature. However, the HS720 boasts an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries, allowing for a total of 52 minutes flight time, while the HS700E comes with a modular battery. The HS720 also has a foldable design for easy transportation. Both drones are user-friendly and easy to operate, with the HS720 featuring multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The HS700E, on the other hand, requires no complicated preparation and features modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The two drones are comparable in many aspects, but the HS720's additional battery and foldable design give it a slight edge in terms of convenience.